The video shows the front-end processing section of wet wipes production, including non-woven fabric unwinding, folding, liquid adding, cutting, and stacking. The machine is also compatible with various materials and can produce flushable wipes, biodegradable wipes, and more. By changing the liquid in the solution tank, the machine can produce baby wipes, alcohol wipes, disinfecting wipes, and other types of wet wipes. This production line supports flexible pack sizes, allowing the production of wet wipes packs with 60, 72, 80, or 120 pieces per pack. Afterwards, the processed wet wipes are transferred to the packaging section by the conveyor belt. This machine is an economical model that uses manually prepared bag packaging, though it is ideal for customers who were entering the wet wipes industry. Finally, the wet wipes packages are sealed by the sealing machine. The entire production line is designed for efficient operation with only 2 operators, helping reduce labor requirements and improve production efficiency.